banana, dates, wheat flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the banana fried recipes and one of the most different of the fritter recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the date snacks recipes and one of the most unique of the wheat recipes and one of the most different of the wheat flour recipes. Today we are going to make banana, dates, wheat flour fried fritters. We've taken around 100 grams of banana peeled and cut in pieces, and 100 grams of dates from which the seed has been removed, 100 grams of sugar, 150 grams of wheat flour. You can take whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour. Put in the banana pieces into the mixer grinder. Put in the dates pieces. Put in the sugar. Pour in around 25 ml of water. Close and grind well. Put in the wheat flour into the mixture. Now put in another 25 ml of water. Mix and close and put in another 25 ml. 35. Now close and grind well. Put in the ground mixture into the bowl. Little by little. mix a little. Heat the pan and pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now pour in the batter in small quantities. And let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry. Keep on turning from side to side until golden brown. Now take off the pan, drain off the oil, put it onto the plate. Put in the next set of the fritter. And let it fry. Turn it from side to side. Do this until golden brown. And once they are done, these can be taken off the flame after draining off the oil. Do this until all the fritters are nicely made. This is the final banana, dates, wheat flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the wheat recipes and one of the most unique of the fritter recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the banana recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana fritters recipes and one of the most delicious of the dates fritters recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.